I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Alright, here's the March 15th, 2021 watch list. This is what I'm watching. AAME, right? So we want to see it start get over the 470 range. It's been as high as 15. Let's see where it can go. ABIO, right? We want to see this start to creep up over 4. It's been as high as 5.5. So we'll see if we can start to get a trend reversal. Looks like some support really came in. ADMS, right? It's been high as 915. Starting to creep up, like the MACD pushing up. Starts to get over 530. We could see a climb. AEZS, looking for over the 1.3 range. It's been as high as 362. It's got a nice setup. ANTE. This is doing something. I don't know what. Yeah, we basically want to see it get 5 and definitely hold over 4.8, and we can get to 694. Maybe we can get all-time highs. We'll see. Auto, AUTO. Want to see it get over 3.1 and hold strong. It's been as high as 4.4, so we'll see. CGIX, right? So there's some craziness up here. Probably a low float, kind of consolidating. Any kind of news will probably send it back to this range. CTHR. This one's a little scary. Because both ways, right? We could see it start to take out support and go back down. I would not think so, because this volume here indicates a strong day. So, we have the other way, which is it can start to go to all-time highs. So, well, I don't know if it's all-time highs, but this time frame all-time highs. But, it breaks the 295 range, you could get a real breakout. EDRY, we can see a lot of volume stepped in finally. So we got a base here. We get it over $8. It's been as high as 12. So let's see what it does. EKSO. It looks like the trend is finally starting to reverse a little bit. Haven't really had any indication of volume support, but we can see if it starts to climb over this range, we might get interest. EMKR. This is just waiting for volume. 681 has been high as 8.2. And you can see it moves $1.50 a day. If there's any shorts in here, you can see, based on these levels, that, here I'll show you. Whoops. If there's real shorts in here, what you could have is a squeeze. These guys will push to here, these will help push to here, these will help push to here, this would help push to here, this would help push to here, this would help push to here, and then you're going. So, EMKR has a really interesting setup, and that's kind of what we're looking for. GNUS, it's getting interesting. The only problem is you have a good sell-off day with no volume. So we can see a trend down. We really want to see it get above 2.4 and hold. And we'll go from there. GRIL, I like it, but I don't love it. Basically, 235 to 337, and this is one of the favorite pumper charts, pumper tickers. So we'll see. KERN, load of volume support here, right? Large lower wick. So we really want to see this consolidate. I don't think it rips tomorrow. But you know, if we can get a good price, 7, as high as 10.4, we'll see what happens. NACD and AKD, I think we are at the turnaround stage. Somewhere in here, it's coming. I think we get the turnaround to at least push back up a little bit to the 2-1. So you know, if we get 1 and we go to 2-1, you know, 100%. PBLA, this is interesting. So if there's any kind of real squeeze here happening, it looks like it's not going to go down any further, or at least much. So if there's any kind of real squeeze, you know, we get 452 at high as 88. So we'll see. PSTV, starting to turn up, no volume, and it's creeping up. So, you know, 297, 542. We'll see what happens. PTNR. It moves. I don't like the way that it moves, but you know, we can see a load of volume here putting in the base. So, you know, if you don't mind this after hours craziness, it might be for you. SIFY is probably the best chart setup I'm liking. You can obviously see 3.8 high as 5.89. You know, we got shorts. They're going to help us get up here. And, you know, this thing can move, right? XTNT, still watching this, right? See how there's no volume, right? Like virtually no volume. But it's not pushing down now. It's kind of starting to etch up. That has short squeeze written all over it because it can't get sold down. ZYNE, right? Another nice setup. Same deal. No volume. So these buyers aren't letting go, right? The only day they could really have gotten out is, well, that's a sell, or that's a buy day. So there's still a ton of buyers in here, and they're not running. So there's probably good support for this. We'll see. We definitely shall see. That's it. Have fun.